Hello everyone, greeting of the day. Myself Chaitra Shri. Today I am going to explain Niva Bupa health insurance and one of its super top up plan that our super top up health insurance plan covers medical expenses above the deductible limit. It helps you to enhance your policy cover once the existing sum insured is exhausted. For example, if a person A has a base sum insured of 10 lakhs and the first claim is of 20 lakhs, then you can only claim 10 lakhs from the base sum insurance plan. If you would have purchased or opt for the super top up plan, then the existing 10 lakhs you can directly claim under the super top up plan. First benefit is inpatient care, inpatient charges and hospital accommodation. This inpatient charges covers all the expenses during the hospitalization of an insured person during the policy period. It covers a room renting charges, room rent charges, ICU charges, OTC charges. Next is pre and post hospitalization. What is pre and post hospitalization means? Pre hospitalization means before the admission of the hospitalization, what are the medical expenses done up to the 60 days that will be covered under the pre hospitalization. Post hospitalization means after the discharge, what all the medicines, consultation charges are taken, that medical expenses will cover under post hospitalization medical expenses. Pre hospitalization days is 60 days and the post hospital is 90 days. Daycare treatment coverage. What is daycare treatment means? Due to the advancement of the technology, the general age-related illness or a treatment, surgery procedure will not take more than 24 hours. Those surgeries are fall under daycare treatment. To avail this treatment, the person should be admitted more than 2 hours. Next is domiciliary hospitalization. Domiciliary treatment is home-based treatment that is one done for a diseases, illness or injury where the insured person could not transfer to a hospital or if the bed was unavailable, then those comes under the domiciliary treatment. For domiciliary claim, the treatment should be taken under the continuously for last 3 days, then the domiciliary treatment claim will be done. Next is alternative treatment, that is Ayush treatment. Ayush means Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. The treatment must be taken in Ayush hospital only and that hospital should be recognized and certified by the government. And even here, pre and post hospitalization expenses also be covered. Next, living organ donor transplant. This benefit covers the medical expenses and the surgical expenses for the organ donor when they're harvesting a major organ transplant from the insured person. It will cover up to some insured. Next is emergency ambulance. Even if there is an emergency, where the insured person should be transmitted from one hospital to the another hospital, that benefit also be that expenses will also be covered. The cost of expenses 1,500 per hospitalization will be provided. Next, e-consultation. You can e-consult our specialist through an Niva Bupa app with unlimited times during the policy period. Next is loyalty addition. If there is any claim free year, there will be a 5% increase on base sum insure that comes under a loyalty addition, maximum up to 50% of base sum insured. Next is pharmacy and diagnostics. In Niva Bupa health app, you can book a pharmacy, that is a medicine and diagnostic center where you can order the medicines. There will be a discount. You can order on through one window. Next, mental disorder treatment. Even for the mental disorders, treatment taken, inpatient treatment for medical illness also be covered up to sublimit for under the any conditions. Next, even HIV and AIDS. HIV daycare treatment for a illness arising due to the HIV and AIDS will also be covered. Even for 60 days, even year, 50, 60 days pre-hospitalization and 90 days post-hospitalization medical expenses will be covered. Next, artificial life maintenance. Even artificial life maintenance during the inpatient treatment expenses will be covered till the insured person is not brain dead. Next is modern treatment. For all the specified limits, the modern treatment expenses will be covered. Even year, 60 days pre and 90 days post hospitalization medical expenses will be covered up to the sublimit. Next is optional benefit. First is personal accident coverage. Next is critical illness coverage. First, if any accidental death occurs within 365 days of the death, the sum insured will be provided to the nominee. Next is accident permanent total disability. Any accidentally for totally permanent total disability happens, then 125% of base sum insured will be provided to the nominee within 365 days. Next is accident permanent partial disability. According to this nature of disability, the base coverage sum will be provided to the insured person. Next is critical illness covers. Any critical illness occurs, we will pay the critical illness sum insured to specify the policy schedule, provided the insured person the survival period of up to 30 days from the diagnostics of a critical illness during the policy period. These are all the critical illness covered. This is brief on additional benefit. First one is mental disorder treatment. Next is HIV or AIDS. Next is modern treatment. Next is artificial life maintenance. This all are the additional benefit and the new features add on. This is a health recharge coverage. This all are the benefit will cover under the super top up cover insurance. Next is waiting period. For accidental claim covers after from 1 day. For hospitalization waiting period, it's 30 days. Specific waiting periods cover after 2 years. Pre-existing waiting period covered after 3 years. Corona treatment covered after 30 days. This is the specific waiting period list. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you have any questions, feel to mail and share feedback with us. Support at profittantra.com, youtube.com, Profit Tantra. Please subscribe and like our channel. Join our Telegram channel, Profit Tantra Financial Services, and get knowledge updates. Thank you.